Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I will be unboxing packages, and so many awesome things came in. I'm pretty sure I only opened a couple of them, so a lot of them are going to be surprises. But when this video goes up, I will actually be in New York. I am there for Generation Beauty and I'm so freaking excited. This will be my second year attending Generation Beauty and I'm just pumped. So anyways, really quick before we do get started, if you are new, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe right down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then every Monday, we're here for mail hauls. Yay! But I'm very excited to get into this, so let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is crazy. This actually came in from Decay, and it is a big old cherry. All right, so let me take the top off so you guys can see it. They sent over their entire Naked Cherry collection, and as you guys know, I did do a full video on the Naked Cherry palette. I was so excited about it that I went ahead and purchased it. So I think I'm going to talk to you guys about what's in here, but I think I'm going to save most of this for a giveaway for you guys since I've already reviewed the palette. But with this collection, they have the Decay Naked Cherry. And here's what that looks like. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check out that video. And then we have a few different lipsticks. They have an all-nighter setting spray that smells like cherry. They have a blush and highlight palette and 2 different 24/7 Glide-On eyeliners. But like I said, I know I had already shared my thoughts on the Naked Cherry. I did really like the palette. I thought it might have been around here somewhere, but I definitely wanted to share this because I thought it was so super cute. So thank you so much to Decay for that package. I'm not sure what this is. This came from Utah. Oh, cool. Okay, so I actually remember talking to these people through email and I thought this was really cool. So this is called the Sidewinder and it is a MacBook charge winder. And you guys, oh my gosh, doing YouTube, the struggle is freaking real when it comes to your computers because you have cords freaking everywhere. And this company has this like invention and it's for your MacBook charger. And so basically you can like intertwine the charger round and round and you can pull it and it actually comes out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna leave a link down below because you guys, if you use MacBooks, you know how long the charger is and it can get super annoying. And it also has a place, I'm pretty sure right here, is where you put like the little square for it. So I'm very, very excited. Thank you guys so much. And again, I'll leave that link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. Here's basically what it looks like once you have the charger and you can just pull the sides and it pulls it out and it doesn't get tangled. Thank goodness. So there's that. Thank you all so much again. Oh, and they also have, I don't know what these are, but they also have those that came with it. So we will have to test that out. I know Snow's super excited because I always have my chargers thrown everywhere around the house. Okay, next package we have, I did open this one. This one actually came from Lancome. And this is their new, I think it's their fall collection. We will open it up. I was really shocked whenever I opened this package. Oh my gosh, I can never figure out how to get it open. There we go. Oh, so they sent over like a book that has like information about it. This is the Chroma Collection 2018. Oh, okay. I'll just show you guys what it looks like so I don't drop anything. So here's what it looks like. It's upside down. But you have a few different things in there. So the first thing you have is this palette right here. It's a very cool tone palette. You get 10 different eyeshadows and then you also get like a little brush with it. We have 4 different like lip products. So the first one we have is shade 106. Very pretty, like pinky, like orangey nude shade. I'll never forget, you guys. So this one time, like a year or so ago, Snow was taking product shots for me outside and he got in a big hurry. And these lipsticks, basically what you do is you like push the top down. And so it looks like the inside's kind of long, but it has like the part where you push down. And he was, this is shade 111. He was doing product shots outside and like the lipstick started melting because it was so freaking hot. And he texted me freaking out because he didn't roll the lipsticks up all the way because he was trying to hurry up and like put them up. And he left them completely up and just like pushed the cap down. He's like, oh my gosh, I ruined them. I think these are going to be eyeliners. Let's see. No, what is this? Yeah, I guess it's some type of eyeliner. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to read up on this and maybe update you guys in another video. I think these are more like cream eyeshadows kind of. So thank you so much to Lancome for that package. I'll have to play with these more and read through them. Okay, next package came from CoverGirl. I'm so glad it's back to scarf weather. Ooh, so here is what the package looks like. It says I am what I make up. And it looks like it's like tightly sealed with like saran wrap. I never know what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so here's what it looks like. When you open it, I'm like, oh, what is it? Oh, ooh, these look nice. So 4 brow products. We have some eyeshadows. We have some eyeliners, mascaras, top coats. I want to swatch this. This eyeshadow palette looks really nice. This is the True Naked Sunsets. Take this eyeshadow thing out. I hate these, honestly. Okay, CoverGirl. Oh my gosh, these are nice. I think the shimmers are honestly what is my favorite. I mean, look at those swatch. Very pretty. Let's swatch the rest of them. We have 4 more shades to swatch. They're very smooth. Like when you're running your finger over them, they almost are like a little bit powdery. Like look at this. And I got stuff everywhere. 2 shades are very similar. This looks really, really good. I mean, I'll give y'all a close up. Very pretty, very, very pretty shades. There's a close up of that palette. Very warm toned. I'm freaking excited. Even the other palettes, I mean, they all look really, really nice. I think I need to do a drugstore makeup tutorial. I keep saying I'm going to do one. And after I get back from this trip to Gen Beauty, oh my gosh, I'm going to have so much more downtime. Hopefully. It's been so crazy with like travel and work stuff lately. I'm just excited to get back into my first impressions. I like am sitting on half my shirt because I have one of those big old shirts on. So anyways, thank you so much to CoverGirl for that package. Okay, next package came from Sigma. Ooh, the Viper collection. Oh, so this is the Viper collection. Sorry, I just like almost dropped everything. And it looks like snake skin. So here's the packaging for the collection. And basically there is an eyeshadow palette and 2 liquid lipsticks. Ooh. Here is the eyeshadow palette. These colors look really nice, very different. The top 3 are right up my alley. Ooh, look at that one. It is so silky smooth. So here's the first 3, and then there are those 3 swatched, really pretty. And then the next 3 are ones I don't really see myself using very much, especially that green. Nonetheless, it's a very pretty shade. I just can't think in what like I would need a green for. And there are those 3. So cute palette, very different colors, pops of colors. Got some warm tones, got, you know, a nice brow bone highlight, a nice transition shade. So you could create, you know, quite a few looks. If it were me and I was going in, I'd probably use this for a highlight, this for an all over shade, lid and outer corner. Maybe a pop of green underneath. So there's that. And then they came out with 2 shades. These are their liquid lipsticks. And then here what those 2 shades look like. And thank you so much to Sigma for that package. Okay, next package. Let's see. This came from Sarah Miracle, and it says Eye Illuminating Supplement. Looks like skincare products. Yep, that's what it looks like. Next product we have is the Essence Skin Conditioner. And then we have an eye illuminating cream. So thank you so much to Sarah Miracle for that package. This next package came from Dermalogica, and I have been so excited to open this. So I had a consultation with one of Dermalogica's skincare specialists, and she basically went through all my skincare concerns, what I use, what I have problems with, like my trouble areas, the skin I have, and they customized me a skincare routine. They were kind enough to send over all the products that they recommended for me to use. So I'm gonna go through each one of these, and once I start doing this skincare routine, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with my results. So the first thing is the Daily Microfoliant, and this is to achieve brighter, smoother skin every day. And it is a powder that you basically like rub in your hands, and it kind of creates a foam. It's been a little bit since I did the consultation, so I'm trying to remember everything she said. They did email it to me. Then we have a pre-cleanse, which is a cleansing balm that you put on to help remove your makeup. We have the Ultra Calming Cleanser, and this one is a gentle cleansing gel cream for reactive skin. It's pH balanced, non-foaming cleanser that helps cool redness and heat associated with sensitive skin. We have the antioxidant Hydro Mist, which they said was really good. And I believe this is actually a toner as well. I'll have to look into this. I cannot remember. So there's that. Next, we have the Skin Dynamic Skin Recovery, and this is a SPF 50. We have the Total Eye Care Eye Cream. We have a Super Rich Repair Age Smart. And this is a nourishing skin treatment that is for dry, dehydrated skin. And then the last two products that we have the C Serum, and then we have the Age Reversal Eye Complex. So I had that backward. Very, very excited to try all these out. It was so nice of Dermalogica. I FaceTime with them, like talked to the girl that helped me for like probably 30 or 45 minutes and just went through like everything, what I use. It was just so, so nice. And I can't wait to use the recommendations. So thank y'all so much. Very last package I'm going to open came from L'Oreal. Ooh. Okay, so this is the L'Oreal hair makeup. It is a one-day color. So we have like a gray. I think Snow has been wanting to use something like this. So he's gonna be very excited. We have a red, we have blue, purple, and then we have like a fuchsia purple, and then more of like a kind of raspberry color. So thank you so much to L'Oreal for that package. Actually, just kidding, I found one more package. And next week's Mail Haul Monday will probably be a huge Gem Beauty haul, so it's probably gonna be long. Sorry guys, I missed this package. Okay. Ooh, it's nice and gold from e.l.f. Oh, this is their Modern Metals. I believe this is the products that they... Oh, this is beautiful. First thing we have is a Modern Metals lip gloss. Look how pretty. I mean, it's like so shiny and sparkly. We have a beautiful blush and highlight palette. Such pretty tones. We have another liquid lipstick, which is like a really pretty shade for fall. And then last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. These are beautiful. Okay, definitely expect first impressions drugstore tutorial soon. So that now is going to complete this week's mail haul. Thank you so much to e.l.f. Thank you so much to each and every brand that was kind enough to send me packages. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.